We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system at the request of the National Weather Service in Denver, which has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Elbert County and south central Arapahoe County until 11:30 p.m. About 8:30 at about 6 miles southeast of Kiowa or 36 miles west of Lyman, the storm moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations in the warning area include, but are not limited to, estimates that 3 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen in the area centered 15 miles west of Elbert County. Will also be moving northward and producing another 1 to 2 inches of rain. Emergency alert system. All bright.